A Planet token is used as a currency in trading venues such as arbitrage trading between exchanges and is also used for major cryptocurrency trading. Welcome back guys to another episode of Expert Studio. In this video I am going to share each and everything regarding the PLA token, Planet token. At this time it is available on the coin market cap and also it is available on multiple exchanges in different pairs. So I will tell you each and everything regarding this token. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major update regarding crypto. Okay, first of all, this token is available on multiple exchanges on Bitforex, Bithumb Global, Windex, P2P, B2B, System Coin, Profit Exchange, Coin Tiger, and you have all the options to buy this token directly from these exchanges. First of all, if you want to buy this token directly from the Bitforex, you have the chance. Basically, it is available in USDT pair, and you have the chance to buy this token directly from the Bitforex exchange. Secondly, you also have the chance to buy this token directly from the Bithumb Global Exchange in USDT pair, and also you have the chance to buy this token from the P2P B2B exchange in Ethereum pair. And in the last but not the least, you also have the chance to buy this token at very low price because it is, you can say, a hidden gem of 2020. Because when I am going to tell you the whole theme of the PLA token, seriously, you are going to be surprised that what is this all about. So on the System Coin Exchange, you have the chance to buy this token in TriPair. Very easily, you can basically purchase this token directly from the System Coin Exchange. So now we are going to discuss what is basically Planet token all about. You can say along with the technology to improve liquidity by using inter-exchange arbitrage. It is also used for prizes and participation tickets for esports related business in Japan. And also the main key features, there are multiple key features, but the major you can say the key features of the Planet token, or you can say the main mission of the Planet token, is quite surprising. First of all, Planet tokens basically raises the stock price of companies and pursues high returns by investing in startup companies, blockchain companies, and journal companies both in Japan and overseas. The second one, you can say a new theme is basically Planet tokens recognized and used by many people as prizes and participation tickets and promote the widespread activity of esports business. Basically, at this time, they are offering you a simple thing. For example, you are available in one country at this time. Basically, if you are, for example, in USA, and for example, you want to basically send someone any type of prize, or for example, you want to wage anything on the esports game and any type of esports game, then you have the chance to use the Planet token, and then you can easily send the prizes to them or the tickets or anything. The third one and the main theme which we are at this time is basically online, and basically people are using the main feature of this is basically established OTA. What is basically OTA? Online travel agency. Online travel agency which enables the reservations for airlines and hotels around the world. Online shopping of EC sites with Planet tokens and can provide better services to Planet tokens holders and further increase the profitability. Now, the surprising you can say feature which I am going to tell you in this video, basically the main thing, soonly a possibility for Planet token to list in exchange among 23 licensed companies in Japan. So very soon you'll be able to see this token. Probably you are going to see this token on, you can say, the licensed firm in Japan very soon. So here comes the entire roadmap. It is basically an ERC20 token, so you can easily hold this token in your personal MyEther wallet address or in any wallet which is basically sporting the ERC20 token. Here you can find out each and everything regarding the token, and the main thing, they didn't basically do any type of ICO or IEO. So that is a great thing regarding this token, and as I told you, you have the chance to buy this token at very low price because at this time the price is very low. And as I told you, the main features and especially the main missions of the Planet token. So very soon we are going to see a huge pump in this token. Here you can find out all the exchanges which are basically at this time, okay, where basically the Planet token is available. And if you have any type of question, you can ask from them directly on the Facebook, Twitter and Telegram, because the team is available for you 24/7 and they are going to answer each and every question of yours. So if you want to read something more, or if you want to invest anything in the Planet token, you must have to read the white paper, because the white paper is available over here. You just have to click on this one, the pop-up, and then you have the chance to read each and everything regarding the white paper. And that one, they elaborate all the things regarding the Planet token. I will share the main link, especially the coin market link, and especially the main platform link, so you can easily discover and you can read each and everything regarding the Planet token. If you have any questions regarding this video, you can basically comment in the comment section and I will try my level best to answer each and every question of yours. Thanks a lot.